It started with a simple $5 coffee. At first, it felt harmless, just a small treat to brighten the day. But then I did the math. $5 a day added up to $150 a month, or $1,825 a year. Enough for a vacation, a new laptop, or even a big chunk of debt paid off. That's when it hit me. Was I wasting my money on things that didn't really matter? We all do it, buying snacks, streaming subscriptions, or gadgets we barely use. It feels good in the moment, but over time, these small expenses quietly drain our bank accounts. Studies show the average person wastes thousands of dollars every year without even noticing. So, here's the big question. Are you spending money on stuff that's secretly sabotaging your financial goals? Let's dig deeper to uncover the silent money leaks in your life and how to stop them. Number 1. The psychology of stupid spending. Why do we spend money on things we don't really need? It's not always about what we buy. It's about how it makes us feel. Spending releases dopamine, a chemical in our brain that makes us happy. That quick burst of joy can make us buy things without thinking. It feels good in the moment, but the regret comes later. Emotional spending is one big trap. After a bad day, we tell ourselves, I deserve this, and buy something to feel better. Then there's FOMO, the fear of missing out. We spend money just to keep up with friends or trends, even if it doesn't fit our budget. Another trap is the sunk cost fallacy. We keep paying for things like unused gym memberships or streaming services because we feel bad about giving up on them. But here's the truth. Most of these purchases don't improve our lives. They just steal our money and keep us stuck. The good news? Once we understand why we spend, we can start making smarter choices and keep more of our money. Number 2. The silent wealth killers you ignore. Most people don't lose money because of big, flashy purchases. Instead, it's the small, quiet expenses that slowly drain their bank accounts without them even noticing. Let's look at 3 silent wealth killers that might be robbing you right now. Think about this. How many subscriptions do you have? Netflix, Spotify, gym memberships, meal kits? Studies show the average person spends $219 per month on subscriptions, but nearly 42% forget about them. Source: West Monroe. That's over $2,600 a year. Tools like Rocket Money can help you find and cancel the ones you don't need. Ever bought clothes, gadgets, or snacks just because you were bored or stressed? You're not alone. Americans spend an average of $450 per month on impulse purchases. Source: Slick Deals. That's over $5,400 a year. Instead of giving in, try a 48-hour rule. Wait 2 days before buying something. Most of the time, you'll realize you don't actually need it. A $10 lunch here, a $4 coffee there. No big deal, right?
Wrong.
Eating out 5 days a week can cost $2,600 a year, and weekly food delivery can add $1,040 more. Cooking at home and meal prepping can save you thousands without sacrificing taste. The bottom line? These small expenses may seem harmless, but over time, they can add up to tens of thousands of dollars. Number 3. Lifestyle inflation, the subtle poison of progress. Imagine getting a $10,000 raise at work. You feel excited, finally more money. But instead of saving or investing, you upgrade your car, buy designer clothes, and start dining at expensive restaurants. Before you know it, your extra income is gone, and you're still living paycheck to paycheck. This is called lifestyle inflation, and it's one of the biggest reasons people stay broke, no matter how much they earn. Here's how it works. When we earn more, we feel we deserve to spend more. It's natural to want nicer things, but if every pay raise leads to higher expenses, savings never grow. Studies show 60% of high earners making over $100,000 a year still live paycheck to paycheck. The problem isn't income, it's habits. Instead of spending more, smart earners follow this rule: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings or debt payments. The trick is simple. When your income grows, don't let your spending grow with it. Pause, reflect, and plan your purchases carefully. Number 4. The social media spending spiral. Social media makes it easier than ever to spend money and harder than ever to save it. Scroll through Instagram or TikTok and you'll see influencers showing off luxury vacations, designer clothes, and expensive gadgets. It all looks so perfect that it's easy to think, I need that too. This is called comparison culture, and it's costing people big time. A study by Credit Karma found that 49% of millennials submitted social media caused them to overspend. Many go into debt just to keep up appearances. But here's the truth. Most of what you see online isn't real. Many influencers borrow clothes, rent cars, or even use filters to fake their lifestyles. Yet, we compare our real lives to their highlight reels and feel pressured to spend money we don't have. The good news? You can break free. Start by unfollowing accounts that make you feel bad about your life. Instead, follow creators who promote saving, investing, and budgeting tips. Also, try asking yourself, do I really need this? Or do I just want to impress others? This small mindset shift can save you thousands and help you focus on building real wealth, not just looking rich. Number 5. False investments and hidden costs. Not all purchases that seem smart actually are. Many people spend money on things they think are investments, but these often turn into hidden costs instead. Take luxury watches and sneakers, for example. Some people buy them, hoping their value will grow over time. While a few rare items might increase in price, most lose value quickly or need expensive care to stay in good condition. The same goes for the latest gadgets. Buying a $1,000 phone every year means spending $10,000 in a decade, even though older models still work fine. Another example is cars. People often buy expensive cars, thinking they're assets. But the truth is, cars lose value the moment you drive them off the lot. According to Edmunds, new cars drop 20% in value in the first year alone. Then there are side hustles that require big upfront costs, like online courses, camera gear, or tools for hobbies. Many people spend hundreds or thousands before making a single dollar back. The solution? Before buying, ask yourself, is this making me money or just costing me more? Focus on real investments like stocks, real estate, or skills that grow your income over time. Number 6. How to spot and stop your financial leaks. Financial leaks are sneaky. They start small, like a $10 subscription or a $15 lunch, but over time, they add up to thousands of dollars. The first step to fixing this is finding where your money is going. Start by tracking your spending. Use free apps like Mint or Pocket Guard to see every dollar you spend. Look for patterns, subscriptions you forgot, impulse buys, or daily habits like coffee runs. Most people are shocked when they see the total. Next, cut out the waste. Cancel subscriptions you don't use, cook at home instead of eating out, and stop buying things you don't really need. Try the 30-day rule. If you want to buy something, wait 30 days. If you still need it, go ahead. If not, skip it. Another trick is automating savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account so the money is gone before you can spend it. Even $10 a week adds up to $520 a year without effort. Finally, try a no-spend challenge. Pick a week or month where you spend only on essentials. It's a great way to reset your habits and take control of your money. Small changes today can lead to big savings tomorrow. Meet Mark, a 32-year-old who used to spend money without thinking. He had 5 streaming services, ordered food delivery 3 times a week, and never skipped a morning coffee run. After tracking his spending, he realized he was wasting over $7,000 a year on things he didn't need. Mark canceled and used subscriptions, started meal prepping, and made coffee at home. In just 1 year, he saved $10,000, enough for a down payment on his first home. Then there's Sarah, a 28-year-old online shopper. She spent $300 a month on clothes she rarely wore. To stop impulse buying, Sarah deleted shopping apps and set a 48-hour rule before any purchase. She saved $5,000 in 12 months and used it to pay off credit card debt. These prove that small, smart changes can turn anyone from a spender into a saver and help build real wealth. Your money should work for you, not disappear without a trace. The truth is, most people don't realize how much they're wasting until it's too late. But now you know the traps. Imagine the freedom of having savings, no debt, and the ability to invest in your future. Your money is your power. Use it wisely. Start today and watch how fast your financial life can change. Now, if you want to learn how to achieve financial success, then watch this video next. If you made it to this point in the video, please like and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.